Hello guys, today's video we are doing the Linux collaborative files task. So here they have mentioned like we have to create this directory and we are modifying the permissions for them. So that is a task. Okay, they have told us to log in the app3 server. Let's log in the app3 server. So we have successfully logged in. So this folder just they have mentioned as root only. Under root only it is mentioned as dbadmin. So we'll check if it is present or not. Right? We just came inside. We already have that folder already. It is present. So we are just verifying what it is inside. We'll verify once. Okay. Whatever they have mentioned, it is present already. So we are going to modify the values of these things. So how do we do that? First, we will check the permission now. So errors and all will happen. You don't need to worry about it. Even I make multiple mistakes. Huh. So actually I confused this L with that pipe symbol. That's why it showed like that. Okay. So this file it has read access, write access, execute access. This is the thing which this folder has. So here what we are going to do is we are going to modify this. First we are going to provide this group has the ownership. How do we do that? So change group dbadmin. So I will just copy this value. Anyways, we need to use it multiple times again. So we are giving this group ownership to dbadmin. Now we are going to modify this group value. So how do we do that? So for that chmod 770 again paste it. So which means this 7 and 7 will give read write execute access to this file owner and this group owners. This 0 in the sense it is for the users don't have access. So this is what they have mentioned. Group owners they should have read write execute and others should not have access. So we are doing that one. So now we did that also. So we already gave the group ownership to the DB admin. Now we have to give the permission for the inside files. So that also we can do it. chgrp change group. So hyphen R will denote this recursive thing, everything. So we have to give the same value. Okay, now let's try the same command. You can verify it got changed or not. So you see, other people it has already changed it. You can see this value has changed already. You are able to see, right? So that which means we have done our task. We'll check this one. See, our task is successfully completed. We'll see you in next video.